What's up guys, I am back with a brand new video and today we have the special live hands-on leak of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung's holding a big event to show off its newest phone in less than 2 weeks, but why wait, leakers are out in a full force. With just days to go before Samsung Unpacked, another potential leak for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip appeared online. Ben Gaskin tweeted a shorted video that appears to show a hand folding and unfolding Samsung's newest oddity, a foldable phone with a clamshell design. Gaskin's video is not too long, but it's worth checking out to see how Z Flip owner will interact with it on a daily basis. It's not specially mind-blowing, but I suppose there's some utility to seeing just how it fits in a human hand. When it's closed, it's looked to have a roughly the size and the shape of an old boy Game Boy Advance SP. The idea of constantly opening and closing the Galaxy Z Flip throughout the day does seem a little tedious, but we will have to get one in our hands before we make any real judgments. Rumors have been spreading about the Galaxy Z Flip for weeks. For example, leaked renders showed us that there will be a purple model, which is important because more things should be the purple. Despite the number of leaks going around, we actually don't have a ton of concrete information about its specs, pricing or availability. Samsung will presumably tell us everything we need to know on the February 11 at its Unpacked event. We also expect to find out more about the Galaxy S20 line of phones, which have also been leaked to everyone in the weeks leading up to the event. The Galaxy S10 is so again pretty much covered in all areas. It's not like lacking severely, it's definitely the people who don't really care about specs that much and they want something really cool, something very different from a traditional smartphones. I would love to have this phone as a daily driver. It's looking really interesting again. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below what you think about this. Also, Samsung just broke the fourth wall by replying to a Ice Universe. Yes, then replied to a tweet from a Ice Universe. He did it fall on what people would choose in the S20 family, and pretty much Samsung just replied and said, "We don't know what you are talking about." Obviously they know, WhatsApp they know everything and they're definitely enjoying the leaks. All this will be officially on February 11 live in the San Francisco. Drop a comment and I will see you guys in the very next one. Peace out. If you like this video, so kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. And I think you should to follow me on Facebook, so go to your Facebook page, like Insider Diary and follow Insider Diary. Thank you.